Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is the razz for 2 spots in box break 108. So we'll go live. Hope everyone's having a good Thursday, a long weekend. 8:55 PM. Thanks for filling it and getting payments in. Might even put another one up tonight. We got a break this weekend then, which would be good. Okay, so I'll put the 50 spots in here. 50 Dave Ross. Number 1 Chad Skinner. So we'll roll the dice. 4 or more as always. Got an 8. So it's 8:55. We rolled an 8. So good luck everyone. Let's go. Number 1, 50 spots. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5, number 6, number 7, and so 7 times, the time is 8:56. Again we rolled an 8, so lucky bastard, good luck everyone. 8 times, we rolled an 8. Time is 8:56, and the winner of the 2 spots is Chad Skinner. So 50 items, Chad Skinner's the winner. We rolled 8 times. There we go, get on the same page nearly. Hey, Chad Skinner, 8 times, 8:56. We rolled an 8. So congratulations, Chad. I'll put you down for those spots, mate. I'll probably put another one up soon. Cheers, guys. If I don't speak to you, have a good week. Good, safe, long weekend. Don't drink and drive. Enjoy family time. Cheers, everyone.